Good morning. We're just gonna go to the park. It's been like so overcast, so rainy. Finally, you know, cleared up, super sunny, and I think it's a perfect day for Cooper to go to the park, and he's in the back. I'm planning to teach him to play fetch. That's kind of loud. Anyways, oh, much better. How cute he is. So yeah, we're going to the dog park. I don't know, I looked at him, I felt like he's kind of hilarious looking some days because he's confused. Where are we going? Are you taking me somewhere? I don't know. I'm not sure what's going on. I'm in my such a stretched out, you know, just kind of like, I don't know, like workout t-shirt or whatever. One of my favorite t-shirt that's super old and just shabby looking. That's the look of it. You know, I actually got this from my mom. She gave me this. I love it. White fabric, but like patchwork type of t-shirt. I really love this t-shirt. I wore it like for so many years. That's why I was like, the collar is all stretched out. But I still love it. It's just super comfortable. Anyways, I'm sure like other people looking at me and just kind of like waking up, you know. Who cares? Yeah, so that's what's going on. Whee! Get me. Good fetch. Give it back to me. Good boy. This little like, you know, grocery trip to Trader Joe's. One bag. Because basically it's like a snack run. I got this flower that's really pretty. Ranunculus. They're really pretty. There's like one that's like two. They're like kind of the reddish. Couple chips. This is our favorite. Dill pickle flavor potato chips. I was so tempted to get two. One, the cassava chips. This is new, I think. Prada Peru. I don't think we have this one. Fancy cheese crunchies. Cheese truffle flavor corn snacks. We got a, what's this one? Dark chocolate almond cookies. These looks really good, so I got this. Also got like tahini, organic tahini. I just want to make some like dressing sauce and stuff, so I got this. I got this truffle flavor barbecue sauce. Yeah, I got this one. Curious how it tastes. I don't think their produce is as fresh, as amazing as, you know, other grocery stores. There's so many options, you know, mid and high-end grocery stores. And if I want something really solid, good, organic, Trader Joe's is no longer my go-to. Trader Joe's is only for especially snacks or something like treats. Like even that one time I got a dog treat for my dog, Cooper didn't like it. You know, Cooper kind of like puked up a little bit. Little sweet treat. You know, I really don't know about the quality for stuff. That's why I no longer go to Trader Joe's for day-to-day groceries. And now I'm just gonna go get more stuff because today is kind of just like a grocery haul, you know. So I just got home and went to Sprouts. Everything I got is pretty like just everyday, you know, regular stuff, but there are a few things I do want to mention and, you know, kind of just like, I don't know, it's almost like kind of like I've been a fan of some items that I've been getting. One of my, I don't remember, favorite or something. So these are, actually no, in one of my vlogs. This is the Crystal Bagel. So I really love these. So good. I believe this is, once again, the last bag on the shelf. Also, I saw these and I was like, oh my god. Artisan sliced bread. So these also look really good. Their bread is amazing. So if you see them at Sprouts, get them. They're that good. Like, so good, I have to get both. They're a little pricier, but totally worth it. This is absolutely, you need this in life. Our favorite, you know, I've been drinking this juice for a little while. Has orange elderberry and zinc, you know. Love this juice. Really good for your immune system. I also got this grass-fed organic kefir, plain unsweetened. I love kefir, so excited to try this one out. We got parsley here. This is Saalt. I use the truffle infused salt. Regular salt works. Red pepper, we got garlic powder, oregano, just pepper, this is tomato paste. You know, if you love garlic, add it. We love garlic here, so packet of garlic, a ton of garlic. But also because we're using 2 pounds of turkey. Pick the one that has a little bit of fat. 1 onion. Hi. I know they smell good, huh? 2 pounds here, and then we're gonna add all the garlic and parsley here. I don't have breadcrumbs or like panko. Normally you add some panko, kind of just bulk it up, you know, but this time I'm adding Italian parsley. And get yourself a spatula. I think the best will be like using your hand, but I don't think I'm gonna use my hand. Gently mix everything, you know. Kind of just get everything in there. We're gonna really seriously mash this like really well. But right now, crack this egg in there. We might need 2 actually. Okay, 2 eggs. But right now we haven't added all the seasoning, so I'm gonna go ahead and add those. Three teaspoons. Oh. Red pepper. I mean, if you don't like it spicy, don't put too many. Just for a little bit of flavor. So I will put 2 teaspoons. If you don't like it, half a teaspoon. Oregano, you just kind of freestyle. You know, you like it a lot, dump it in. Probably like 1.5 teaspoons, I would say. Black pepper. Okay, here is my little salt. 1 teaspoon. 1.5 actually. And then we'll have a little bit of tomato paste. Tomato paste is more concentrated, so if you're using, you can use ketchup, but if you're using ketchup, you have to use a little more. This, I would say, you probably give it like 3 teaspoons. Okay. That's everything, and we're gonna mash everything together. Shea butter. Okay. So 8 meatballs I made. I'm gonna make more. What'd you sniff, boo-boo? Is that meatballs?